शिक्षा अधिकार सर्वशिक्षा अभियान सभिए पढ़ंतु सभिए पढ़ंतु। मन रखंतु आपणक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल रो नाम सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस। प्रत्येक रविवार दिन 10टा पर ठारू उक्त चैनल खोली नुआ नुआ चटापट स्मार्ट कार्यक्रम देखिबार सुजोग नियंतु एवं आमको उत्साहित करंतु।
एबे आसंतु अष्टम श्रेणी ए न्यू अप्रोच टू इंग्लिश रो पाठ्यक्रम रे शामिल हेबा। लेसन 3 mongoose. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby.
ନେଉଳ ମାନେ ଏକତ୍ର ଶିକାର କରିବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ନିକଟରେ ଥିବା ଭୟଙ୍କାରୀ ଶିକାରୀ ପଶୁଠାରୁ ସର୍ବଦା ସତର୍କ ରୁହନ୍ତି।
While poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws, mongooses look very amusing.
ନେଉଳ ମାନେ ଗାତ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଭିତରକୁ ମୁହଁ ନାକ ପୁରାଇବା ବେଳେ, ପଥର ଖଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପାଦରେ ଓଲଟାଇବା ବେଳେ ଏବଂ ଭୂମିକୁ ନଖରେ ଖୋଳିବା ବେଳେ ଚିତ୍ତାକର୍ଷକ ଦେଖାଯାଆନ୍ତି।
A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes and other small creatures.
ଆଫ୍ରିକା ମହାଦେଶର ଅନେକ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ଏମାନେ ଦଳ ହୋଇ ବୁଲିବାର ଏକ ସାଧାରଣ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଥାଏ। ଏମାନେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ 20 ଜଣିଆ ଦଳ ହୋଇ ଭଅଁର, ତେଲୁଣି ପୋକ ଓ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ପୋକ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି। ଏକ ବିଶେଷ ସୂଚନା। ନମସ୍କାର। ଏତଦ୍ୱାରା ସମସ୍ତ ବିଦ୍ୟାର୍ଥୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ସୂଚାଇ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି କି ଆପଣମାନେ ନୂତନ ଦର୍ଶକ ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ନାଲି ଅକ୍ଷରରେ ଥିବା ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ବଟନଟିକୁ ଟିପନ୍ତୁ। ତାପରେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍ ଘଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଦବାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଶେଷରେ ଅଲ୍ ଲେଖା ହୋଇଥିବା ଘଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଟିପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଏଭଳି କରିବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣ ଆମର ସମସ୍ତ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ। They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling.
ସେମାନେ ଏକାଠି ଶିକାର କରିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ପରସ୍ପର ଠାରୁ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିର ଅନ୍ତରାଳକୁ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଶବ୍ଦ କରି ନିଜ ନିଜ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି ବା ଡାକିଥାନ୍ତି।
Always on the look out for danger hawks, eagles, they warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious.
ଛଞ୍ଚାଣ ଓ ଚିଲ ଭଳି ଶିକାରୀ ପକ୍ଷୀ ପ୍ରତି ସେମାନେ ସାବଧାନ ରୁହନ୍ତି। ବିପଦର କୌଣସି ସୂଚନା ପାଇଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏକ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ସତର୍କ ଶବ୍ଦ କରି ପରସ୍ପରକୁ ଜଣାଇଥାନ୍ତି।
Mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves.
ନେଉଳମାନେ ନିଜକୁ କୌଣସି କ୍ଷତି ନ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇ ସାପଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ମାରିବାରେ ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ଅଟନ୍ତି।
Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes.
ସେମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତିକ୍ରିୟା ଏତେ କ୍ଷିପ୍ର ଯେ ପ୍ରତିଥର ସାପ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରିବା ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱକୁ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଘୁଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇପାରିବେ।
They continually dodge snakes attack until after a while the snake gets tired.
କିଛି ସମୟରେ ସାପ ହାଲିଆ ନ ହେବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେମାନେ ଲଗାତାର ଭାବରେ ସର୍ପ ଆକ୍ରମଣରୁ କ୍ଷିପ୍ର ବେଗରେ ଘୁଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି।
Then they quickly dive in for the kill.
ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ହତ୍ୟା ପାଇଁ ତତ୍କ୍ଷଣାତ୍ ଡେଇଁ ପଡ଼ିଥାନ୍ତି।
All the female mongooses have their kitten at about the same time.
ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ସବୁ ମାଇ ନେଉଳମାନେ ଏକା ସମୟରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଛୁଆ ଜନ୍ମ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି।
They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log.
ସେମାନେ ସମଗ୍ର ଗୋଷ୍ଠୀ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପୁରୁଣା ଉଇହୁଙ୍କା କିମ୍ବା ପୋଲା କାଠ ଭିତରେ ତିଆରି ହୋଇଥିବା ଗୁହା ଭିତରେ ଲାଳିତ ପାଳିତ ହୁଅନ୍ତି।
When most of the adults are looking for food, one or two males stay behind to stand guard until the others return for the night.
ଯେଉଁ ସମୟରେ ବୟସ୍କ ନେଉଳମାନେ ବାହାରେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଅନ୍ୱେଷଣ କରୁଥାନ୍ତି, ଗୋଟିଏ ବା ଦୁଇଟି ପୁରୁଷ ନେଉଳ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ରାତିରେ ନ ଫେରିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଜଗି ରହିଥାନ୍ତି।
Comprehension questions with answer. What are the paragraphs about?
The paras are about the common nature of mongooses.
What is the common nature of mongooses?
One very common nature of mongooses is that they live and hunt together.
Mongooses do two kinds of things. In other words, their activities or work can be divided into two kinds. What are they?
Mongooses do two kinds of things. They are living together and hunting together.
One of them is looking for food. What do mongooses normally eat?
Mongooses normally eat beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures.
They eat beetles, millipedes, etc. But the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. Who are these big creatures?
The mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. These big creatures are hawks, eagles, jackals, etc.
They look for food, but they also look out for.
Danger from hawks and eagles.
How do they keep in touch with each other?
They keep in touch with each other by twittering and calling.
How do they warn each other when they see anything dangerous and suspicious?
They warn each other with a special alarm call when they see anything dangerous and suspicious.
The writer calls the mongooses look very amusing animal. When do they look amusing?
According to writer, mongooses look very amusing while poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws.
What are mongooses famous for?
The mongooses are famous for killing snakes without getting hurt themselves.
What is very special about their killing snakes?
They kill snakes without getting hurt themselves.
What do they do when the snake strikes?
When the snake strikes, they dodge or move suddenly to one side to avoid it.
Who is quicker, the snake in its strikes or the mongooses in doing the strike?
The mongooses is quicker in doing the strike of the snake.
When do they kill the snake? Immediately or making it tired?
They kill the snakes, making it tired.
Where do mongooses live?
Mongooses live in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log.
Who looks after the kitten? The small ones? When most of them go out for food, the males or females?
When most of them go out for food, the females look after the kitten, the small ones.
Can you guess why do the males stay behind?
The males stay behind to stand guard until the others return to the den for the night.
Choose the appropriate alternatives. The enemy of mongoose is beetle, hawk, millipede, small creature.
Hawk.
Mongooses are famous for living together, killing snake without getting hurt, twittering sad message, looking out for dangers.
Killing snake without getting hurt.
Before killing a snake, mongooses dash, call each other by twittering, allow the snake to get into termite hole, play with the snake, make the snake tired.
Make the snake tired.
Mongooses look amusing when they dash, poke their noses into holes, overturn rocks with their paws, scratch the ground with their sharp claws, all the above.
All the above. All the females mongooses have their kitten at about the same time. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, one or two males stay behind to stand guard until the others return for the night.
Use the following as verb and noun. Dive, लंप प्रदान करिबा, verb करो.
The coast guard dived into the sea to save a drowning man.
Dive, noun, अर्थ जल को लंप प्रदान.
He takes 2 to 3 dives every day to save life of tourists on the sea beach.
Kill, verb, मारिदेबा.
The tiger killed the deer,
Kill, noun, शिकार.
but it had to wait long for the kill.
Stay, verb, रहिबा.
Siddharth stayed long at home.
Stay noun दीर्घ रहणी.
His employer did not like Siddharth's long stay at home.
Guard verb जगिबा.
He guards at the gate of the office.
Guard noun जगुआली.
But the new guard is irregular in his duties.
Travel यात्रा करिबा.
Divya travels a lot.
Travel noun भ्रमण.
Her frequent travels spoil her health.
Scratch verb गार पके काटिदबा.
Smita scratched all our books.
Scratch noun रामपुड़ा चिन्ह वाक्यत.
Her mother didn't like the scratches.
Touch verb छुईबा.
Rasmi touched the torch, me not plant.
Touch noun स्पर्श.
Even her soft touch made the plant close all her leaves.
द रिडल मास्टर रहस्यकृत प्रश्न और समाधान गुरु. एवरी इवनिंग चिल्ड्रेन सिट राउंड बुधु हादाम टू लिसन टू हिज स्टोरीज.
प्रत्येक दिन संध्यारे पिलामाने बुधुहादाम चारिपटे तांकठारो गप शुणिबा पई बसी पड़ती.
देयर इज नो वन इन द विलेज हु कैन टेल स्टोरीज लाइक बुधु हादाम.
गाँरे केही हेले बुधुहादाम परी गप कहि पारंती नाही.
He can tell you about the thieves and the widow's son, 7 brothers and 1 sister.
चोर माने एवं विधवार पुत्र 7 भाई और 1 भौणी विषय रे से गप कहि पारिबे.
He can also tell you the story of the wicked jackal.
से मध्य दुष्ट बिलुआ गप तुमको कहि पारिबे.
There is no end to his stories.
तार गप गुड़िकर शेष नाही.
He is also very good at riddles and his stories are also full of riddles.
से मध्य रहस्यमय प्रश्न कहिबारे प्रवीण एवं तार गप गुड़िक धंदा बा पहली रे परिपूर्ण.
There is no riddle which he can't solve.
एपरि कौनसी धंदा नाही जहाकु से समाधान न करि परिबे.
So everyone calls him the riddle master.
तेणु समस्ते ताकू पहली मास्टर बा गुरु बोली डाकंती.
People need him more during marriages.
लोकमाने विवाह समय रे ताकू बेसी खोजंती.
The bridegroom's party has to pay a goat or a pig if they fail to answer the riddle of the bride's party.
कन्या पखर पहलीर उत्तर देई न पारिले बर पक्ष को गोटिए छेली बा घुसुरी देबाकू पड़े.
If Budhu Hadam is with them, the bridegroom's people are safe.
जदि बुधु सेमानंक सहित अछि तेबे बर दल निरापद रे थांती.
They need not pay the fine.
सेमानंकु जोरिमाना देबाकू पड़े नाही.
Budhu Hadam's talk is also full of riddles.
बुधु हादामर कथबार्तारे मध्य प्रहलिका पूर्ण प्रश्न भरी रहिताए.
During hunting, he will never call a leopard a leopard.
शिकार समय रे गोटिए चिताबाघ को से चिताबाघ बोली कहिब नाही.
If you call a leopard by name, he says he will know and kill you. So he calls it a wildcat or a hornless bullock.
से कहे जदि तुमे चिताबाघ ना धरी डाकिब से जानी परिबो एवं तुमको मारिदेब. तेणु से एहाको गोटिए बणुआ बिलेई किंबा गोटिए सिंह नथिबा बळद बोली डाके.
Similarly, he calls a bear a hairy caterpillar.
सेही परी से गोटिए भालू को लोमस सांबळिया बोली डाके.
He does not want to hurt anyone.
से काहाको आघात देबाको चाहे नाही.
When he finds someone losing his teeth, he will say, "Your white stones are falling."
जेबे से काहार दांत झड़ीबार देखंती से कहंती तुमर धड़ा पत्थर गुड़िक खसी पड़ुछि.
When someone is dead, he says, "He has gone to hurt the alligator."
जेतेबेले जणे मरी जाए से कहे से कुंभीर मानकु चराइबाकू जाइछि.
One evening when Budhu Hadam came out of his room, he found the children waiting to hear his stories.
दिने संध्यारे जेतेबेले बुधु हादाम ता घरु बाहरकू आसिला से देखिला पिलामाने तार गप शुणिबाकू अपेक्षा करिसंती.
One of them shouted, "Grandfather, today you tell us a story from your life."
सेमानक मध्यरु जणे चित्कार करी कहिला जेजे बाप आज तुमे तुम जीवनर एक कहानी आममानंकु सुणाओ.
Grandfather, tell us how you cheated the money lender added another, and all the children shouted, Yes, yes.
ଜେଜେବାପା ତୁମେ ମହାଜନକୁ କିପରି ଠକି ଦେଇଥିଲ ଆମ୍ଭମାନଙ୍କୁ କୁହ। ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ କହିଲା ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟ ସବୁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଚିତ୍କାର କରି କହିଲେ ହଁ ହଁ।
The old man took a little red tea, then he began.
ବୁଢ଼ା ଲୋକଟି ଅଳ୍ପ କିଛି ନାଲି ଚାହା ପିଇଲେ, ତାପରେ ସେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ।
In my young days, I owed money to a money lender.
ମୋ ଯୁବାବସ୍ଥାରେ ଜଣେ ମହାଜନ ଠାରୁ କିଛି ଟଙ୍କା ଋଣ କରିଥିଲି।
He used to come every day for money,
ସେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଆସୁଥିଲା,
but I have no money to pay him.
କିନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଟଙ୍କା ନଥିଲା।
So I ran away to the forest, asking my wife to tell him that I have gone for backward and forward dance.
ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ପଛ ଓ ଆଗ ନୃତ୍ୟ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିବାକୁ ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ କହି ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରକୁ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥିଲି।
Next day, the money lender came.
ପରଦିନ ମହାଜନ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଥିଲା।
So I ran away to the forest, asking my wife to tell him that I have gone for backward and forward dance.
ମୁଁ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଇଥିଲି ବୋଲି ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେଲା। ଆଗ ପଛର ନୃତ୍ୟର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ ସେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ।
He wanted to learn it from me.
ସେ ଏହାକୁ ମୋଠାରୁ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ।
If I taught him the dance and answered 3 of his riddles, he would not take his money from me.
କଥା ହେଲା, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏହି ନାଚ ଶିଖାଇବି ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର 3ଟି ପ୍ରହେଳିକାର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେବି, ତେବେ ସେ ମୋଠାରୁ ଆଉ ଟଙ୍କା ନେବେ ନାହିଁ।
Grandfather, are not the moneylenders very cruel? Asked one boy who was still very attentive.
ଗୋଟିଏ ପିଲା ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଧ୍ୟାନର ସହ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲା। ସେ ପଚାରିଲା, ଅଜା, ମହାଜନମାନେ କ'ଣ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନିଷ୍ଠୁର?
Yes, they are, but this moneylender was less cruel than the rest.
ହଁ, ସେମାନେ ନିଷ୍ଠୁର, ମାତ୍ର ଏହି ମହାଜନ ଜଣକ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଟିକେ କମ୍ ନିଷ୍ଠୁର ଥିଲା।
In no case with other moneylenders agree to give up their money.
ଅନ୍ୟ ମହାଜନମାନେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାରରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଟଙ୍କା ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ରାଜି ହେବେ ନାହିଁ।
So, with 2 other people as witness, I met the moneylender.
ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ 2 ଜଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହିସାବରେ ନେଇ ମହାଜନଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିଲି।
All of us went to the forest.
ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଗଲୁ।
It was very cold morning.
ଶୀତୁଆ ସକାଳ ଥିଲା।
I asked him to take off his warm clothes.
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗରମ ପୋଷାକ ଖୋଲିବାକୁ କହିଲି।
Then I gathered some dry leaves and wood to set fire to them.
ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ନିଆଁ ଜାଳିବା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଶୁଖିଲା ପତ୍ର ଓ କାଠ ସଂଗ୍ରହ କଲି।
We sat very close to the fire.
ନିଆଁର ଖୁବ୍ ନିକଟରେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବସିଲୁ।
When it blazed, it was very hot and he moved backward.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏହା ଖୁବ୍ ଜୋରରେ ଜଳିଲା, ବହୁତ ଗରମ ଲାଗିଲା ଓ ସେ ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଗଲେ।
I also moved backward.
ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଗଲି।
When the fire was less hot, he felt cold and moved forward.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ନିଆଁ କମ୍ ଗରମ ଲାଗିଲା, ସେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଅନୁଭବ କଲେ ଓ ଆଗକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚି ଆସିଲେ।
In this way, he went on moving backward and forward.
ଏହିପରି ସେ ଆଗକୁ ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚି ଚାଲିଲେ।
Then he asked me when I would teach him the dance.
ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେତେବେଳେ ନୃତ୍ୟ ଶିଖାଇବି ବୋଲି ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କଲେ।
He got angry when told him I had already taught him.
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନୃତ୍ୟ ଶିଖାଇ ସାରିଛି ବୋଲି କହିବାରୁ ସେ ରାଗିଗଲେ। ଆସିଲେ।
You have cheated me, he shouted and said. All right, answer my riddles.
ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଠକି ଦେଇଛ, ସେ ଚିତ୍କାର କଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ମୋ ପହଳିର ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅ।
A coiled up snake, I replied immediately.
ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୁଡ଼ାଇ ହୋଇଥିବା ସାପ, ମୁଁ ତତ୍କ୍ଷଣାତ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲି।
A bamboo with 7 eyes.
7ଟି ଆଖି ଥିବା ବାଉଁଶ। ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା
Came the next flute, I replied within no time.
ବଂଶୀ। ଅତି କମ୍ ସମୟ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲି।
He looked quite disappointed.
ସେ ନିରାଶ ଦେଖାଗଲେ।
He had only one riddle left, the last one. If I answered that one also, he would lose his money. Taking a little time, he asked me a long and difficult riddle.
ତାପରେ ମାତ୍ର ଗୋଟିଏ ପହଳି ବାକି ଥିଲା, ଶେଷ ପହଳି। ଯଦି ସେଇଟିର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇଦେବି, ସେ ତାର ଟଙ୍କା ହରାଇବ। କିଛି ସମୟ ରହି ସେ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଲମ୍ବା ଓ ଜଟିଳ ପହଳିଟିଏ ପଚାରିଲେ।
He has a crown but is not a king. He wakes up men but is not a watchman. Then he shouted, Tell me what is it? When I replied cock, his face turned pale and in no time he left the place even without looking back once.
ତାଙ୍କର ମୁକୁଟ ଅଛି ମାତ୍ର ସେ ରାଜା ନୁହନ୍ତି। ସେ ମଣିଷକୁ ଉଠାନ୍ତି ମାତ୍ର ଜଗୁଆଳ ନୁହନ୍ତି। ତାପରେ ସେ ଚିତ୍କାର କଲେ, ଏହା କ'ଣ ମୋତେ କୁହ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଗଞ୍ଜା ବୋଲି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲି ତାଙ୍କ ମୁହଁ ମଳିନ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ଏବଂ ଖୁବ୍ ଶୀଘ୍ର ସେ ଏପରିକି ଟିକିଏ ପଛକୁ ନ ଚାହିଁ ସ୍ଥାନ ଛାଡ଼ି ଚାଲିଗଲେ।
All the boys who had been listening attentively laughed at once. All of them still sat looking at Buddhu Hadam, who was sitting close to the wall. The boys knew once he finished taking red tea, he would ask them a riddle.
ଯେଉଁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟର ସହିତ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ହଠାତ୍ ହସିଲେ। ସମସ୍ତେ କାନ୍ଥ ନିକଟରେ ବସିଥିବା ବୁଧୁ ହାଦାମ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଚାହିଁ ବସିଥିଲେ। ଥରେ ସେ ନାଲି ଚା ପିଇବା ଶେଷ କରିଦେଲେ। ସେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପହଳିଟିଏ ପଚାରିବେ ବୋଲି ବାଳକମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ।
They were getting ready for the test when the red tea went in the riddle came out. The bullock that raises its tail when it eats belly full. Thrice he repeated the riddle. He who can answer the riddle will be the little riddle master today, added the old man.
ସେମାନେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଉଥିଲେ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ନାଲିଚା ଭିତରକୁ ଗଲା ପହଳିଟିଏ ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରିଲା। ବଳଦଟିଏ ତାର ଲଞ୍ଜା ହଲାଏ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପେଟ ପୂରା ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଏ। ଧନ୍ଦାଟିକୁ 3 ଥର ପୁନରାବୃତ୍ତି କଲେ। ଯିଏ ପହଳିଟିର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେବ ସେ ଆଜିର ଛୋଟ ପହଳି ଗୁରୁ ହେବ ବୋଲି ବୁଧୁ କହିଲେ।
Everyone was quiet, no sound, no movement. Everyone was trying his best to find an answer. When no reply came for a long time, Buddhu Hadam allowed them to guess the answer.
ସମସ୍ତେ ନୀରବ ଥିଲେ। ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ, ହଲଚଲ ନାହିଁ। ସମସ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କର ସାଧ୍ୟ ମତେ ଉତ୍ତରଟିଏ ପାଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥିଲେ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଧରି କୌଣସି ଉତ୍ତର ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ ବୁଧୁ ହଦାମ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁମାନ କରି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେବାକୁ ଅନୁମତି ନେଲେ।
It is an animal, asked one boy.
ଏହା ଏକ ପଶୁ କି? ଜଣେ ବାଳକ ପଚାରିଲା।
No, came the reply.
ନା, ଉତ୍ତର ଆସିଲା।
Is it food? Suggested another boy.
ଏହା କ'ଣ ଖାଦ୍ୟ? ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ବାଳକ କହିଲା।
No, said the old man.
ନା, ବୁଢ଼ା ଲୋକଟି କହିଲେ।
A boy who was all the time sitting silently in front of the old man suggested at last, Is it a thing used by a businessman? Yes, but tell me what it is. A wing balance, said the boy.
ଶେଷରେ ବୁଢ଼ା ଲୋକଟି ଆଗରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ନୀରବରେ ବସୁଥିବା ପିଲାଟି କହିଲା, ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ ଦ୍ୱାରା ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହେଉଥିବା ଜିନିଷଟିଏ କି? ହଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ କୁହ ଏହା କ'ଣ? ଗୋଟିଏ ତରାଜୁ, ବାଳକଟି କହିଲା।
The old man stood up laughing and took the boy in his arms, shouting, Here is the little riddle master, here is the little riddle master.
ବୁଢ଼ା ଲୋକଟି ହସି ହସି ଠିଆ ହୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲେ। ଚିତ୍କାର କରି ପିଲାଟିକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ହାତରେ ଧରି ପକାଇଲେ। ଏ ହେଉଛି ସାନ ପହଳି ମାଷ୍ଟର, ସାନ ପହଳି ମାଷ୍ଟର।
Comprehension questions with answers. What are these paragraphs about?
These paragraphs are about Buddhu Hadam's stories and riddles.
Name 2 stories that Buddhu Hadam usually tells his listeners.
Buddhu Hadam usually tells 2 stories to his listeners. They are 1. The Thieves and the Widow's Son. 2. 7 Brothers and 1 Sister.
Why do people call him Riddle Master?
People call him Riddle Master because his stories are full of riddles. There is no riddle which he can't solve.
If a bridegroom's party fails to answer a riddle, what do they pay?
If a bridegroom's party fails to answer a riddle, they have to pay a goat or a pig.
Why do people need Buddhu Hadam during marriages?
Buddhu Hadam is a famous riddle master, so people need him during marriages to solve the riddles.
Why does not Buddhu Hadam call a leopard a leopard?
Buddhu Hadam does not call a leopard because he says that if someone calls it by name, it will kill him.
What does he call a leopard?
He calls a leopard a wild cat or a hornless bullock.
What does he call a bear?
He calls a bear a hairy caterpillar.
What does he say when someone is dead?
When someone is dead, he says he has gone to hurt the alligator.
What kind of story did the children want to hear from Buddhada?
The children wanted to hear a story related to Buddhadam's life.
What is the story about?
The story is about how Buddhu cheated the moneylender.
Why did he run away to forest?
He ran away to forest because the moneylender used to come every day to his house for money.
What did Buddhu's wife say when the moneylender came?
When the moneylender came, Buddhu's wife told him that Buddhu had gone for backward and forward dance.
What did the moneylender want to learn from Buddhada?
The moneylender wanted to learn the backward and forward dance from Buddhadam.
He will not take the money of Buddhadam. Dash, complete the sentence.
He will not take the money if Buddhadam teaches him the dance and answer 3 of his riddles.
Why did Buddhu take 2 witnesses with him?
Buddhu took 2 witnesses with him because money lenders were cruel. They wouldn't give up the money easily.
What was backward and forward dance?
Moving backward and forward near the fire was backward and forward dance.
What was the moneylender's first riddle?
The moneylender's first riddle was the Raja's plate which you cannot wash.
What was his second riddle?
His second riddle was a bamboo with 7 eyes.
What was his third riddle?
His third riddle was he has a crown but is not a king. He wakes up man but is not a watchman.
Did Buddhadam answer all the riddles of the moneylender?
Yes, Buddhadam answered all the riddles of the moneylender.
What riddle did Buddhadam ask the children?
Buddhadam asked the children to answer the riddle, the bullock that raises its tail when it eats belly full.
Was it a difficult riddle?
Yes, it was a difficult riddle for the children.
Who was called the little riddle master?
The boy who answered to Buddhadam's riddles was called the little riddle master.
Name at least 10 tribes of Odisha.
The name of 10 tribes of Odisha are Santal, Kandha, Kolha, Munda, Saura, Juang, Bonda, Poroja, Bhuyan, Baiga.
Choose the appropriate alternatives. Buddhadam was a dash, moneylender, woodcutter, farmer, storyteller.
Storyteller.
Buddhadam called a tooth a dash, wildcat, hairy caterpillar, white stone, hornless bullock.
White stone.
Who has a crown but is not a king? Cock, hen, crow, sparrow.
Cock.
A bamboo with 7 eyes is the dash, harmonium, guitar, flute, sitar.
Flute.
Question and answers the riddles. Who has teeth but can't bite?
Comb.
Who has leaves but never grows?
Book.
Who sleeps in the day but works at night?
Lamp.
Who has a crown and a beautiful tail but not a man?
Peacock.
Who has 4 legs with a back but can't walk?
Chair.
What comes twice a week but once a year?
Letter E.
The tree which bears fruit once in its lifetime.
Banana plant.
In which age people live?
Village.
Whose stick is neither a rod nor solid but liquid?
Lipstick.
Question and answer the riddles. I am once in tea, twice in coffee, but not in sugar. Who am I?
The letter E.
It is black and white and read all over. What is it?
Newspaper.
At night the king had cows many, but in the morning there was not any.
Stars.
Little cow Rani, she sleeps in her stall. Give her little or much, she will eat it off all. Give her water, she will die. Give her butter, she will fry.
Fire.
I am one of an endless family. My brothers and sisters never far behind. I crash and I swell. Green pebbles growl and gnaw the bones of the land like a great wet dog.
Wave.
Fill in the blanks. Around, in, like, of. There is a marketplace dash our village.
In.
His bag is full dash peanuts.
Of.
Nobody in my class can speak dash Rajat.
Like.
There is a big wall dash our school.
Around.
Here are 2 pens dash my pocket.
In.
When Buddhu started his story, children said dash him.
Around.
He bought 2 tins dash petrol.
Of.
Look at the following sentences taken from the text. Is it an animal? No, it is not. Is it a thing used by businessmen?
Yes, it is.
Make yes or no answer type questions for the following. Is he very good at riddles?
Yes, he is.
Are his stories full of riddles?
Yes, his stories are full of riddles.
Will he call a leopard a leopard?
No, he will not call a leopard.
Had Buddha already taught the moneylender the backward and forward dance?
Yes, Buddha already taught the moneylender the backward and forward dance.
Is it food?
No, it is not food.
Was the small boy sitting silently all the time?
Yes, the small boy was sitting silently all the time.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍।
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦିନ 10ଟା ପରେ ଦେଖିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇବେ ଅନେକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଧାରାବାହିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଯଥା ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବକ୍ତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଅଭିନେତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ଓ ଆହୁରି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ।
ଆମ ରାଜ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟର ଠିକଣା ହେଲା ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ, କେୟାର ଅଫ୍ ବ୍ରିଗେଡ୍ ଭବନ, ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର L1739, ଫେଜ୍ 2, ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଡୁମଡୁମା, ହାଉସିଂ ବୋର୍ଡ କଲୋନୀ, ଭାୟା ଖଣ୍ଡଗିରି, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର, ପିନ୍ 751019। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସର ଅଫିସ୍ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା 8260186104। ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଦେଉଛି 8260186104। ପ୍ରତିଭାବାନ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ ଶୁଭ ଖବର। ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କୌଣସି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତିଭା ଥାଏ ତେବେ ଆମ ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବରରେ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆମ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ପ୍ରତିଭା ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ। ବୟସ 2 ବର୍ଷରୁ 18 ବର୍ଷ।